Today we're gonna take a quick look at a Linux OS, Ubuntu. Yes, hello, welcome. Welcome back guys to another tech video with Human and Suten, and today we're gonna look at Ubuntu, what that OS has to offer for us. Okay, so we're here in the Ubuntu homepage, and as you can see it's a nice and clean design of an OS. I'm really impressed. So let's start here in the left bottom corner. It's like the start menu on Windows. If you press here, we get all of our apps in a list here. And we can swipe down and up. We can press frequent to get our frequent apps. And we can also search for a specific app. For an example, our calculator. And we get it here. Perfect. On the left side corner here, we have all of our pinned apps. It's like on the taskbar on Windows. And also here on the top, we get our day and time. And if we press here, we get all of our notifications and our calendar. On the right upper corner here, we get all of our volumes, microphone, display, and we also get our Wi-Fi and battery percentage. So it's a really nice and even design here. We get a lot of information in a neat way. Yes, it's now time to go into the settings page here. And here we see our Wi-Fi. We see the Wi-Fi we're connected to, Bluetooth, even our background and lock screen, our dock, notification settings. All of that is here in one page. It's really efficient and really powerful tool. And here you can see your power, your battery, your screen brightness and everything like that. It's a really nice and detailed settings page here. Yes, now it's time to go into the Ubuntu Software, and it's like the Google Play Store on Android. And here we can find all of our apps. As you can see, we have Minecraft here, we have the Mind Test game and all of that. We have Open RA and all of that stuff. Let's search for Google Chrome. Okay, we did not find Google Chrome. But we found Chromium, and that is the open source version of that. It's the source where Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, they are all based on this open source browser. So let's install Chromium. And it's installing. So let's launch the Chromium here. Wow, what a nice design here. It looks exactly like Google Chrome. So let's try out YouTube here. Oh, sorry. YouTube.com. So, wow. It's a little choppy here because I'm using a Microsoft Surface Pro 1. So it's not the fastest computer to date. So here we're testing a video. Yes. Quality 1080p. And it works perfectly. Wow, what a nice operating system here. It supports everything. So let's try out the camera app here. And it's cheese here. So here we can see Suten, he's recording this video, and let's see here if we can change the camera. Preferences, yes, here to the front camera, and here you can see me. And let's try a picture here. 3, 2, 1, cheese. Yes, a nice image there. Let's see if we can find that image. We go to files and pictures here, and here we can see that image. Wow, what a shining smile. And we can see this picture here, and we can see the kitchen there. Wow. And as you can see here, the file manager, it's like on your Windows PC. You get all of your desktop documents, downloads in one place. Wow, what a nice operating system here. Yes, let's try out some applications here. We have Mines. Wow, this brings me back nostalgic memories here. Let's see. Wow, it works perfectly on flawless, as you can see. Wow, I'm really good at this game. But we do not have time to play it right now, so let's try out the calculator. Yes, and here on the calculator you have the basic mode, you have the advanced mode, the financial mode, the program mode, everything. And also here you have an Libre Office. So let's try that out. Libre Office Word. You have the PowerPoint, you have everything. Wow, you have an inbuilt Office on Ubuntu. It's called Libre Office. You have Libre Excel, Libre PowerPoint. Wow. Wow, it really works and it's really nice design. Wow, I was really amazed by this. And you can make a title here, Human and Suten testing Ubuntu. Wow, this is a nice operating system. Wow. I'm really blown away of that feature, because that is a feature that you really want on your Windows, a built-in Word that you don't have to pay for. So this was a really nice surprise. Let's go back to the homepage, don't save here. Wow, what an OS! Amazing Ubuntu! It really had that clean and design look, but a really much information packed into one OS. I'm really amazed. It has its own Play Store, or as they call it, Ubuntu Software. It had a nice calendar, a nice settings, a nice everything, and the Chromium was there available for Ubuntu. I really vibe with Ubuntu Software and Ubuntu OS. If you have any questions about Ubuntu or any other Linux distros out there in the world, comment down below and we will gladly be able to help you. Do not forget to like this video to show us some support, and do not forget to share this video with any of your friends that are looking for another OS out there in the world. And do not forget that notification bell so you can get notified of our recent uploads, and the subscribe button so we can grow even further together as a tech family. And remember who this is. This is
Human and Suten.